Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3 channel. Are you having trouble making voice or video calls on WhatsApp using your iPhone? Don't worry, in this guide, we'll walk you through all the steps to fix WhatsApp when it's not allowing you to make calls. These solutions cover everything from simple settings to more advanced troubleshooting. The issue could be caused by several factors, such as app permissions, unstable internet, outdated software, or even system-level bugs. Let's go through each fix, one step at a time. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. WhatsApp calls rely entirely on internet connectivity, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open another app, like Safari or YouTube, to see if your connection is working properly. If other apps load slowly or not at all, try switching networks or restarting your router. Next, check your WhatsApp app permissions. Without the right permissions, WhatsApp won't be able to use your microphone or camera. On your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. Make sure microphone, camera, and cellular data are all turned on. If any of these are off, WhatsApp will not be able to make or receive calls. If permissions are all set, the next step is to ensure that both WhatsApp and your iPhone's iOS are up to date. Older versions of the app or operating system can sometimes cause bugs or compatibility issues. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and if you see an update button, tap it. Then go to Settings, scroll down and tap General, then click Software Update on your iPhone to check for the latest iOS version. Still not working? Try force closing WhatsApp and opening it again. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold, or tap Assistive Touch to appear Switcher Up options. Then swipe up on WhatsApp to close it. Open it again and see if the call feature works. If that doesn't help, go ahead and restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches that are interfering with app performance. Now, if you're using a VPN, try turning it off. VPNs can sometimes block or interfere with WhatsApp's connection to its servers, especially for voice and video calling features. If none of the previous steps work, your last resort is to delete and reinstall WhatsApp. Before doing this, make sure you back up your chats by going to WhatsApp, tap Settings, then select Chats, click Chat Backup. Then tap Backup Now. After that, uninstall WhatsApp from your iPhone. Then reinstall it from the App Store and restore your backup during setup. And that's it. Those are the main ways to fix WhatsApp when it's not allowing you to make voice or video calls on your iPhone. Following these steps should help you get everything back up and running, so you can connect with your friends, family, or clients without any more issues. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.